हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू एस बी सोल्यूशन। आज आप लोग को सर्किल चैप्टर्स का एक्सरसाइज 11B पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का बारे में कुछ बताया जाएगा। तो हम लोग चलिए क्वेश्चन पढ़ के सुनाते हैं और उसके बाद कैसे सोल्यूशन आया उसके बारे में बताया जाएगा। इन द गिवन फिगर एंगल ABD, this angle is 54 degree. It is given in the question. Angle BCD, this angle is 43 degree. It is given in the question. And we have to calculate angle ACD. Angle ACD, this angle we have to calculate. Angle BAD, this angle we have to calculate. And another angle BDA, दिस टोटल एंगल वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट। तीनों एंगल को हम लोग को वैल्यू निकालना पड़ेगा। सोल्यूशन में चलते हैं। स्टेप 1, द गिवन O इज द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्किल, दिखाई पड़ रहा है। O इज द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्किल। एंगल BCD दैट इज इक्वल टू 50 डिग्री, it is given in the question. And angle ABD, this angle 54 degree, it is given in the question. Find angle ACD, BAD and angle BDA. ये तीनों एंगल को फाइंड आउट करना है। स्टेप 2 में एंगल ABD, दिस एंगल इक्वल टू एंगल ACD, this angle ACD. These two angles are equal. That means the value of these two angles equal to 54 degree. Why? Angles made in the alternate segment. This is your minor segment. Remaining is the alternate segment, that is major segment. That is, we can say that both the angles made in the same segment. That is why both the angles are equal. So it is at 54 degree. Therefore, angle BCD, this angle is equal to angle BAD, this angle. These two angles also the same because these two angles made in the same segment. Naturally, the value of these two angles equal for this 43 degree. ACBD, this is a cyclic quadrilateral because the fourth vertex is on the circle. That is why it is a cyclic quadrilateral. And in this quadrilateral, angle BCA, this total angle plus angle BDA, this total angle equal to 180 degree. This is the property. Sum of the opposite angles, that is equal to 180. So angle BCD plus angle ACD, angle BCD, this angle plus angle ACD, this angle plus angle BDA, this angle equal to 180 degree. So we have to calculate the angle BDA. Angle BDA is equal to 180 minus 43 plus 54. इन दोनों एंगल का वैल्यू माइनस कर देना है। सो नेचुरली 180 minus 97, that is equal to 83 degree. That means the value of angle BDA, this is equal to 83 degree. क्वेश्चन का आंसर निकल गया। चलिए हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में चलते हैं। इन द एडजॉइनिंग फिगर DE is a chord parallel to a diameter AC of the circle with center O. इसमें दिखाई पड़ रहा है कि डायग्राम में जो सर्कल है इसका सेंटर O हो गया। एंड DE is a chord parallel to diameter AC. AC is the dia of the circle and DE is a chord which is parallel with the diameter. If angle CBD, that is CBD, this angle equal to 60 degree, it is given in the question. Calculate angle CDE. this total angle CDE, this angle we have to calculate. So step 1, angle ADC, this total angle. Angle ADC is equal to 90 degree because this angle is met by the dia on the semicircle. That is why the value of this angle is 90 degree. Angle DBC, this angle equal to angle DAC, this angle. DBC and DAC, it दोनों equal, that is 60 degree because angle made in the same segment. That is why the value of these two angles are equal. In triangle ADC, in this triangle ADC, in this right angle triangle, angle ADC, this angle plus angle DAC, this angle plus angle ACD, this angle. The sum of these three angles equal to 180 degree. Angle ADC, value of this angle is 90, DAC that is equal to 60 and plus ACD. So now angle ACD is equal to 180 minus under bracket 90 plus 60 is equal to 30 degree. That means the angle ACD, the value of this angle is 30. Step 2. Angle ACD, this angle equal to angle CDE, this angle. These two angles are equal because these two lines, that is AC and DE, these two line segments parallel, and CD is the transverse. So these two angles are alternate internal angles. So that is why they are equal. So therefore angle CDE that is equal to 30 degree. What is the answer? Thank you for watching our video. अगर आप लोग को अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब इट.